since his election, Brazil's president, Jair Bolsonaro, has promised to roll back protections on the Amazon rainforest. But tonight, he's now deploying his armed forces to protect what's being destroyed. From the air and the ground, tonight the Brazilian military with orders to do what they can to stop the vast fires, to stop those clear-cutting the trees, some more than 400 years old. The rainforest destruction this year, historic. More than 2 million square miles. The so-called lungs of planet Earth, responsible for 20% of our oxygen, now say scientists, at a tipping point.
The Amazon is very important for climate security, for climate stability, to fight the climate crisis we are going through.
In the last 40 years, an area the size of France destroyed to make way for farmers grazing cattle, planting soybeans. It was only after protests around the world and the hashtag Save the Amazon trended online that Brazil's president announced the crackdown. But many of Brazil's top scientists are skeptical.
We are not sure whether only sending a few hundred or even a few thousand soldiers into the forest, it will be sufficient.
In Bolivia today, a third day of water drops from the 747 Supertanker. Based in Colorado, the crew flew directly from California. But the rainforest is a different type of fire, and they say the airdrops are not as effective.
We're significantly outmatched and undergunned, and just able to hang on with our fingernails to help them.
We came upon Bill Vokert from Wisconsin, birdwatching in the rainforest today.
My real concern is that I'm not down here just to see this before it's gone.
The question that no one can answer tonight is if this government change in attitude is long-term and if it is too little, too late.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.